Are you ready to take a tour of my filming studio? Let's get started. Hey guys, this is Zach from Yas, and like I promised in the first video, this one's going to be a little bit more about me showing you my not so expensive filming setup to further prove to you that it is easier than you think to get started. In the first part of this two-part series, I went through 20 statistics about why you need to start making video for your marketing right now. And in this video, as I've already mentioned, we're going to take a look at what I've got going on. So before I pick up the camera and show you around, I got this sign just so there was something for you guys to look at in the background. I think it was about 60 bucks, got that made. If you watch some of my early videos, this is actually a different plant because the first one died, so we had to go pick up another one, 20 bucks. Alright, at the end of this video I will show you the actual rig that it's set up on, actually on my phone that's recording. But in the meantime, I'm just going to pick it up and show you around. Okay, so the first thing to discuss is lighting. We've got huge windows on this side of the building, which really gives me the best lighting to work with. I had originally wanted to work on that wall in front of our whiteboard, but the lighting coming kind of directly at me just didn't work for that, so I figured after watching a bunch of YouTube videos on how to do lighting, putting me kind of on the back with the light hitting the left side of my face here would be the best. So I've got this big huge white thing, and really you could use anything for that. You can go to the dollar store and get some signs. I actually have an old sign here from YasTech's old days that I've got reversed just for some light to direct off that onto me. And if I take you to this side, this is another kind of old marketing piece we have that I turned around because it's a white reflective surface. I'm going to show you the system that I have on my phone here, but before that, to give it a little extra height, I actually have it sitting on the Amazon box that it came in. So as you can see by everything I'm showing you, none of this stuff is really expensive. Most of it you can get at a dollar store, you know, if not, you know, the poster behind me for some extra decoration. It really is easy to start doing video yourself. Alright, last thing for me to show you, and of course I had to come to our bathroom to find a mirror. I got this little doodad from a company called Shure. I will have a link to this product in the description. This is probably the biggest thing that we invested in for video. It's about, I think, $250. It's got a nice tripod that I can set up, and then it's got the microphone that hooks right into my phone. You know, it really makes easy, portable camera. You can get some pretty good sound results with this without having to get a bunch of equipment. So there you have it. Nice, easy setup. For the most part, under $300. A lot of the stuff that I have, you don't even necessarily need. The one thing that I would suggest spending some money on is this cool recording device from Shure that I have attached to my phone. It's really made a difference in kind of the versatility I have with sound and all that stuff. So if you have any other questions about that, feel free to ask in the comments below. Otherwise, as always, thanks for joining us, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.